Hey everybody, Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts here, bringing you your organizing tip of the week. Once a month, do a basic inventory check of your basic supplies. Glues, adhesives, tapes, whatever your favorites or your go-to are, your basic colors of paint. If standard types of paper, if you use watercolor paper a lot or twine, things like that, just set up a schedule so that once a month you are checking those things, because what happens is we will realize when we're working on a project that we're running low on something. So you're painting a surface to repurpose it and you kind of recognize that you're running low on black paint. In your head, you're going to tell yourself, okay, when I'm done here, I'm going to add that to my list or put a note in my phone or, whatever your process is for your next errand day. But things get lost in the shuffle. How many of us email ourselves things because that's the only way we're going to remember in the moment to take note of something that we need to do. And then you're working on a project and you realize that you did not restock your black paint and you don't have enough to finish the project that you've started. So if you create a system where once a month, beginning of the month, 15th of the month, whatever works best for you, you are checking those routine things. And then part of the system is making sure that those routine things make a list for your next errand day. Then you're less likely to be mid-project and realize that you don't have what you need in order to be able to finish your project. And then you don't have to stop and run and go get it or find yourself in that continuous loop of trying to remember to put it on a list that never happens. And once again, you're, without that basic supply. So that's it. I'll be back next Wednesday with another organizing tip for your craft supplies. If you have anything that you would like to share with my audience, recommendations or any suggestions, please feel free to put that in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye.